Hey guys, LechK here. Quick video to show you how to redo caulking on your bathtub. But in this video specifically, I want to show you how to remove the old molded caulkings without damaging your tub and tiles. This section we already removed, which we're going to redo in the next video. Over here we removed as well, and here. Now I'll show you guys how to get all this off without damaging your tub, possibly scratching it up. So don't use screwdrivers or chisels, stuff like that. Those are too sharp, the edges are not smooth, and you will end up scratching your tub. And if you have tile, and just causing more damage than you started with. This is what you need. Go to Home Depot or Amazon, I'll put a link below. Get yourself one of these tile caulking tools. This end is for applying, which I'll show you guys in the next video, and how to do it other ways as well. And then this is the removal piece, which I'll show you guys how to use in a second. Another tool I strongly recommend is one of these guys. I'll put a link to it below. I believe this one was from Harbor Freight. You can get a different model in Home Depot or Amazon and so on. And this comes with like a dull type blade, but metal. Also comes with a plastic one if you want to be more cautious. And then just get yourself some regular old razors. Even one of these guys might be helpful, or at least the blade itself. And then tape. Tape can be used when you're caulking, but also you can use it to protect your tub. So it's a good idea to tape whatever surface you're not touching so you don't accidentally scratch your tub, as I already did here, actually with this tool. Because when I was pulling with the angle, I had too much of an angle and I scraped it with this end. So just be cautious when using it. But let me show you how to remove all this. And then in the next video, I'll show you how to caulk the whole tub in a couple different ways. So you can use this tool two ways, going forwards or backwards. I'm going to protect our tub first so I don't scratch it. Then all you do is with the hook, just hook the silicone, caulking, whatever, and you just pull it right out. When you get to the end here, you just reverse it, push forward, same idea. Once you get all that done, you can get one of these guys and basically from the tile give any under, push it off. Same here. And this, it doesn't scratch the tub. If you use the chisel or screwdriver, you end up butchering your whole tub. And then you can get your razor and actually do fine cleanup and just get any excess off. Let me show you this joint corner here now. Basically same idea. Go forward to get in there. Same from the top. Pull it. And with this guy, just push it up any excess. And now with the fine razor, same thing. Just be careful with these because they are sharp, so you don't dig into the tile. Have enough of an angle so you won't dig in. Same with the tub. That's really it, guys. Now you just get some alcohol if they have specific cleaner you should be using. Clean all this up, get any extra debris off, and you can put down your silicone, caulk it, whatever, and you're all set, which I'll show you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, hope this is helpful. Check out the channel for more videos, and actually on this entire bathroom build. Thank you.